Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a Dyson Airwrap hair tutorial, and more specifically it is going to be Barbie themed because the Barbie movie is coming out this Friday. I am very excited. The fact that Margot Robbie is playing Barbie is just, I love her. I absolutely love her. And I love that there's loads of other Barbies and Kens, and it's an amazing cast. Anyways, I thought I'd be doing this channel a major injustice if I did not make a Barbie themed Dyson Airwrap hair tutorial, okay? So I'm going to be doing probably one of Barbie's most popular hairstyles. I think that's going to be in the movie that lots of people are going to want to recreate. And this is perfect because even though you might not like the hairstyle yourself, if you have a little girl or a wee niece or cousin or sister or whatever and she wants this Barbie hairstyle, I'm going to show you how you can recreate it. And I've really gone to town. I've ordered a little pink gingham top that kind of matches in with the dress. Just to be clear, I'm not trying to recreate Barbie's whole look here, it's just the hairstyle, but I just sometimes like getting little outfits that look similar. So guys, we're just gonna get straight into it, but if you're new here, please make sure you hit subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, my Dyson Airwrap course is now live. The link is in the description if you want to enroll, and my hair wash training course is coming out very soon. So there is also a link in the description if you want to sign up to the mailing list to be the first to hear about that. So let's just get straight into it. Okay guys, so the hair has just been freshly washed. So first things first, first things first, I am going to apply my Philip Kingsley 5-in-1 elasticizer treatment. You will have seen and hear me talk about this on this channel before. This is just really good for getting knots out of your hair. It hydrates your hair, it strengthens your hair, defrizzes your hair. It's got loads of benefits to it and I absolutely love it. Also guys, I've had this for over a year now and it's still going strong. I am just gonna add on my hairdryer attachment for the Dyson Airwrap. Just so you're aware, the Philip Kingsley leave-in conditioner also has a heat defense in it, so I'm not adding my heat defense at this time, but I will add more heat defense whenever I go back in with the next attachment. So guys, I'm just literally gonna start by drying my hair probably about 70 to 80% dry, and I'm just really gonna concentrate on the roots. So let's go. Okay guys, this is as dry as I'm going to get my hair for this particular hairstyle because we are going to be using the round brush. And whenever you're using the round brush, I just find that you don't need to get your hair as dry as what you do with the other attachments. We are going to section our hair. Then I'm going to spray some heat defense. I know there was some in the leave-in conditioner, but whenever I'm going in and properly styling it, I just like to put a bit more heat defense on it. And then I'm just gonna give my hair a good brush and get rid of all the knots. Okay guys, so because I have gotten a wee bit lazy over in this channel, can't be bothered recording a voiceover, so I'm just gonna talk you through it as I'm doing it. So with the round brush, we're gonna do high heat, high speed. And we are gonna start by smoothing it out before adding a curl at the end of the hair. So let's go. You're just gonna start by placing the brush at the top of your hair, wrapping your hair around and pulling down. I'm just gonna do that in all the directions because I just wanna make sure I'm properly smoothing out my hair. And once your hair is all smoothed out, whenever you get to the end, you're gonna roll the brush up and you're gonna leave it here for about 10 seconds. And then you're going to blast with a cold shot for 10 seconds. There we go. Look at that lovely curl that you've created and look at all this volume that you've created. So I'm just going to do it on this side now so you can see how I do it on this side. And again, high heat, high speed. And this little technique can take a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, honestly, I can do my hair super fast with the round brush. So just keep practicing and you'll get there. And the reason I'm doing it under and over is, like I said, I want to really smooth out the frizz in my hair. It also helps create like volume in different directions. Okay, now we are going to roll it up to the mid-length, 10 seconds on a high heat, and then 10 seconds on a cold top. There we go, there's another nice big bouncy curl. Okay guys, there we go. That is the bottom section complete. You don't want to brush it out or do anything with it right now. Just put it behind your shoulders. You're going to bring more hair down. And I'm just going to speed this up because you're just going to do the same technique throughout your hair until we get to the top section. The fringe bit is really, really important with this. So then I'm just going to slow it down and show you how I do the fringe section. Little bangs. You're gonna pull them together, spray some heat defense, give it a wee brush. Okay guys, let's go. So I'm gonna start again by smoothing the fringe out to get rid of the frizz. And once you feel like you've done that, we're gonna continually roll the hair like towards or away from your face, like pointing outwards. That's just going to help create the fringe situation here. Just keep rolling. Let's see how I'm looking here. That is really quite nice, guys. Although I'm not gonna lie, I personally can't stand hair over my eyes. This is a half up, half down, updo. And you wanna start by gathering some hair. Now, I don't like leaving these big like baldy gaps in my hair. So the best advice I can give you when creating this hairstyle is to kind of like tailor it around, you know, your own hair and like what works best for your own hair. Pretty happy with that, I think. Now I'm gonna get a little hair bubble and I'm gonna pop this in a ponytail. Then you're gonna create like a little hole in your hair and you're gonna get your ponytail and you're gonna push the ponytail up and through the hole, and then you're going to tighten it. Okay, that's really created a lot of volume for me. This is so cute. Okay. Oh my goodness, just like look how much volume that creates. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is my first time doing this, by the way, so that's why I'm like so shell-shocked over how well it's worked. Now I'm gonna give my hair a good brush because it's kind of got a little bit tatty in the process of doing all that. Now, her ponytail at the back kind of sits like, doesn't like fall around, so and there we go, guys. That is the Barbie hairstyle complete. I absolutely love it. It is just so cute. Like, so unbelievably cute. And if you have a shorter fringe, this will work so much better. My fringe is really, really long at the minute, so it just kind of like hangs down. But if you have a shorter fringe, then it'll just flick and sit like really, really nicely like that. But anyways, we move. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This is honestly such a simple little hairstyle to recreate. And let me know in the comment section if there's any other hairstyles you would like me to recreate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you love the Barbie movie if you go and watch it. And I will see you next time.